Hey, hi there, my name's Ian. I'm one of the directors of Electrogenic. Well, to be quite honest, it all started the idea of green energy. Also my love of VWs, particularly Beetles, split screen, camper vans, etc. It's been quite interesting, sometimes difficult, we all have our problems. But the end goal is to create something where the past meets the future. So you've got classic cars which will be running on electric power. This is something, it's our next project actually, which we're going to be converting to run electric. This is Marmite. It's a 1960s split screen rat look single cab. We run on this 2 Hyper 9 motors and probably somewhere around about 20 batteries in here, which will give it a huge range of over 300 miles and a top speed which is probably a bit scary. I won't say the speed it's going to get up to, but it's going to be pretty quick.